Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The given figure shows some fruits in a basket. Carol is getting late for school and just picks up a fruit from the basket without looking at it. Which fruit is most likely to be picked? Now let's see, there are three pears, one, two, three, four four pomegranates, granates, and one, two, three, four, five apples. There are total 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 7 plus 5 equal to 12 fruits. And maximum number is that of apples. Therefore, apples are more likely to be picked by her. Therefore, answer is option D.